Never wanted to talk like Yoda, have you? Welcome to the wonderful world of Talk Like Yoda Day, falling on the 21st of May. This day, we honor our first encounter with Yoda, cinema's unforgettable character, famous for his distinctive speech pattern. A day to honor the wisest little green guy in the galaxy it is. Wondering how to celebrate this day, are you? Unleash your inner Jedi by talking like Yoda. You should. Remember, object-subject-verb is the key. A good day it is instead of it is a good day, you might say. Perhaps a Star Wars marathon you could host. Chronological or release order, the choice is yours. And why not dress the part? Don your favorite Star Wars shirt or go all out with a full costume. Embrace your inner nerd, you must. Celebrate with full force, you must. Part of this intergalactic celebration, will you be? A chance this is to honor the wise little green Jedi. Speak like Yoda, dress like your favorite Star Wars character, and immerse yourself in the universe. Share your experiences with the galaxy, you should. May the Force be with you.